Good morning, all of you. We are starting with Economic Value Added, Financial Management Part 3 subject. Note down what is EVA. EVA is Economic Value Added. Full form of EVA is Economic Value Added. This is a tool, technique, modern technique for calculating the business value. We calculate the business value for our owners and shareholders. If we want to find out the performance of company, we can measure through economic value added. EVA is the difference between total cost of funds and operating income after tax. EVA is the difference between the total cost of funds and the operating income after tax. It is totally based on the past performance of the company. Whether the firm is earning higher rate of return than the cost of funds, we are going to compare the cost and the returns. The cost of fund should be less than the returns of the fund. The cost of acquiring the funds is called as WACC. When you are raising money through equity and debt instruments, company is issuing a new stock in the market, new shares, new bonds in the market. They will raise at a cost of KD, that is cost of debt, and cost of equity. So cost of raising funds is measured with WACC. In this question, WACC is given 8%. So EVA is basically measuring the returns and measuring the cost of funds and finding out the difference between the cost of funds and the returns from the company. If the EVA is positive, that means company is creating the wealth for the shareholders, adding the wealth of shareholders. And if EVA is negative, it implies that company is eroding the existing value of shareholders. This comes under the subject of financial management. Kindly note down, this comes under the subject of financial management part 3, EVA. It comes under business valuation. Unit 1, business valuation. EVA is positive, it implies that company is adding to the wealth of shareholders. If EVA is negative, that means company is eroding the existing value of shareholders. When we calculate EVA, first in this question we have to find out all the missing figures one by one. What is sales value? Not given. Question mark. We have to find out. Income? Not given. Capital employed means investment amount. Capital employed means investment amount in the project is 6 lakh. Company's investment is 6 lakh. What is the sales margin? 25%. Capital turnover, we have to calculate. ROI 20%. EVA question mark. WACC 8%. We are given sales margin, but two things are missing. Sales value is also missing, income is also missing. What is the formula of sales margin? Anybody? Income upon sales. Formula of sales margin. Sales margin is equals to income upon sales. Okay. Now capital employed is given in the question. 6 lakh. And ROI is given in question 20%. ROI formula is, see, ROI is given, so we can start the question from this. First step will be ROI is given 20%. 20% is equals to income upon capital employed. We can calculate income if ROI is given. 6 lakh into 20% cross multiply. ROI is equals to profit upon investment. Profit is not given. We will find out. ROI is 20%. So cross multiply. Equal sign है बीच में. 6 lakh into 20%. You will get profit of 1,20,000. Profit of 1,20,000. ओके. ROI लिया हमने. इनकम अपॉन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. 20% into 6 lakh क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. बीच में इक्वल साइन था. So income is 1,20,000. Is it clear how to calculate the income or profit? By cross multiplying the ROI with investment. Multiplying ROI with investment, you will get the income. So we started from this point. So I put smile on the ROI. हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि ये भी दिया था और कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड भी दिया था. इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. 6 lakh into 20%, you will get income. Now you got income 1,20,000, right? Can we calculate the sales value? Say yes or no. Income मिल गया. Sales margin मालूम है. Income is 1,20,000. Sales margin is 25%. What is your sales value? Tell me in the chat box, what is the sales value if income you have calculated, that is profit of 1,20,000. Sales margin is 25%. 25% sales margin is equals to 1,20,000 upon sales into 100. What is your answer? Sales value. Quickly write in the chat box. Hello? One lakh 20,000 divided by 0.25. 1,20,000 divided by 25%, 4,80,000. Sales value 4,80,000. Next. Capital turnover. Capital turnover निकालना है. What is the formula of capital turnover? Turnover यानी sales. Turnover ratios में हम लोग sales पहले लिखते हैं. Sales upon capital employed. Capital turnover में turnover means sales. Sales will come in the numerator. हमेशा इसका आंसर टाइम्स में आता है, परसेंटेज में नहीं. टर्नओवर के जितने भी रेशियोज हैं न्यूमरेटर में हमेशा सेल्स आता है. टर्नओवर रेशियोज में सेल्स न्यूमरेटर डिवाइड बाय कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. सेल्स इज 4,80,000 डिवाइड बाय कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड 6 lakh. 4,80,000 divided by 6 lakhs. Answer is 0.8 times. 0.8 times. Is it clear? Capital turnover is 0.8 times. So we have got missing figures, profit, missing figure, we have determined, sales value, we have found 4,80,000, capital turnover 0.8 times. Now, next step is EVA. This is the formula. Kindly note down roll number 16. EVA is a difference between the income and the cost of funds. In bracket, you will get cost of funds. When you raise 6 lakh rupees from the market, are you going to get free of cost? No. When you are raising capital from the market, you have to pay some interest on it. You have to pay some dividend on equity share issue. Okay, after issuing shares, you have to give dividend also. So that is the cost of the company. So what is WACC? WACC is the cost of raising the funds. 8% is the cost of raising funds from the market. So this is income and this is the cost. 1,20,000 is your profit. 6 lakh is capital employed and WACC is 8%. EVA 1,20,000 minus cost of funds. Company is earning 1,20,000, out of which they have to pay the cost of funds of 48,000. They will have 72,000 with them. So this is positive. You can write EVA is positive. That means company is adding wealth to the shareholders' value. Company is adding to the wealth of shareholders. Second sum. Any doubts in first question and answer? Is it clear? First question is clear to all of you? Write in the chat box. Okay. Second question is, again you have some missing figures. You have to find out. Second question is calculate the missing figures. Sales value 20 lakhs, income 4 lakhs, investment 5 lakhs. Can we calculate the sales margin? Tell me in the chat box what is the formula for sales margin? Income. Income will be numerator in sales margin. What will be the denominator? It's very easy. Income upon sales. Very good. Roll number 16, perfect. Now tell me the answer for sales margin. Into 100 करना है. Income upon sales into 100. 4 lakh divided by 20 lakhs into 100. 4 divided by 20 into 100. TY BAF रोल नंबर पहले सबसे आंसर दिया है शिफाली शाह, इरीन थॉमस एंड श्रुति. Perfect. 20% sales margin. 4 divided by 20 into 100, 20%. Second, capital turnover. सेल्स दिया हुआ है, टर्नओवर रेशियो में न्यूमरेटर हमेशा सेल्स रहेगा. Sales upon capital employed. 5 lakhs capital employed. Tell me the answer. 20 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs. 20 divided by 5. Times में आंसर आएगा. Times 20 divided by 5. What is the answer? Tell me in the chat box. 16 roll number perfect. Irene Thomas 4 times. Capital turnover is 4 times. Next, ROI. Can we calculate ROI? Yes. How to calculate? Profit, that is income, numerator income, upon investment in 200. Income 4 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs investment. 4 by 5 into 100. 4 lakhs upon 5 lakhs into 100. Tell me in the chat box. Roll number 16, 80%. Very good. ROI is 80%. TY by Prachi. Very good. Next. EVA. Economic value added. Income minus bracket, open bracket, capital employed into WACC, bracket close. Income is 4 lakhs. Income is 4 lakhs minus bracket, open bracket, capital employed is 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 8%, bracket close. 5 lakh का 8% कितना है? Tell me in the chat box. 5 lakh into 8%. 40,000. Perfect. 5 lakh into 8% is the cost of funds. Now 40,000 is cost of company. When they are raising funds from market, 5 lakh rupees अगर वो market से raise करते हैं investment के लिए, तो उनको 8% 40,000 देना है cost. What is the income they are earning? 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs is the income they are earning. 4 lakhs, out of that they are paying cost of 40,000. So what is EVA? You can write EVA in sentence. EVA means difference between the income and the operating cost of funds. Cost of funds. EVA is the difference between the income and the cost of raising capital employed. If EVA is positive, yes, very good. Eva by Prachi Jain, 3,60,000. Roll number 16, 3,60,000. Perfect. Note down. Now this EVA is positive. Positive means EVA positive means the past earnings of company, the company's past earnings are good and it is more than the cost of funds. How much more they are? 3,60,000 more than the cost. EVA is the difference between the income and the cost of funds. Income is greater, 3,60,000 greater than the cost of funds. Okay. 4 lakh. Income is 4 lakh and cost is 40,000. So income is greater than the cost of funds, which is showing the past earnings of companies. Past earning of company is greater than the cost of funds. Why we are doing this valuation? We are doing this valuation because shareholders want to invest in our company. On what basis they will invest? They want to decide whether this company is good or not. You can add this into the annual report. Okay. In annual report, you can mention your company's value with EVA analysis. You can show your past earnings of company with EVA. You can tell them we are adding the wealth to the shareholders of amount 3,60,000. So we can measure the earnings of company. This is the valuation technique, modern technique of EVA valuation. Okay. ईवीए निकालने के बाद जितने भी शेयर होल्डर्स एनुअल रिपोर्ट को रीड करेंगे, दे विल फील हैप्पी आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू दिस कंपनी. And new prospective investors, they can also come and invest after checking the annual report with a positive EVA. EVA is much greater than the cost of funds, which is showing the past earnings of company. Company is creating wealth for the shareholders.